That's right. Hurricane party. Right down to a appropriate drink. Hurricane. High gravity. Category 5. There you go. Y'all be safe out there.